Alright, hey guys, so today's video is gonna be really interesting. And I'm sure you guys read the title and saw the thumbnail, so you know what we're gonna do today. So, motion tracking text. Now, let's say you have an object in your video and you want to slap on some text on there. Well, now how do you do that? You just throw on a title, right? But what if your camera is moving or your object is moving? What do you do then? Well, yeah, sure, you can animate the title using keyframes, or you can do it the easy way by just motion tracking the object and then throwing on the text. So that's what we're gonna do today inside of After Effects. So yeah, let's go right in. You wanna click on your clip, next you wanna go to animation, and then go to track camera. So now we wanna just wait for like a few minutes for it to just sort everything out, and then we'll do whatever else we need to do. Alright, so once it's done with that, you'll get this yellow strip instead of the blue strip, and now that just means it's sorting everything out. Now if you want, you can also adjust some of the settings. For example, if you have a fixed angle of view, so it's not zooming in and out, then you want to pick fixed angle of view. Or if it's constantly zooming in and out, then you want to pick variable zoom in the shot type. And now everything else, I'll just leave it as is because I want to keep this tutorial sort of basic so that everybody can sort of follow along. Alright, so once it's done doing that, you want to click rate your 3D camera tracker, and you'll see a bunch of points on your composition. So you're going to just go on any point and you want to right click and you want to select create text and camera. Now you want to double click on the text link. Now you're going to adjust the size of your text accordingly. And next you're going to start typing. And now if we try to play back the video, as you can see, the text moves along with the tree because we motion tracked it. So that's it. Now let's take a look at the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and you might want to check out some of my other videos, so I'll leave links to those at the end of this one. And while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to my channel.